Hey guys, welcome to Random Fix. So I have the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter here, and this is my second VS30, which is going to be that 2019 and newer Mercedes-Benz. And my very first Sprinter that I had a diesel heater installed from Mercedes-Benz. However, it would only work when it was like below 29 degrees, and it wasn't very easy to work with. I had to make a whole bunch of devices to go ahead and keep it working. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can avoid dropping the diesel tank and tapping into it. As you just need these two little parts right here. And one of them is going to be a Dorman part. I'll leave you guys the part number for it. And then this other part is really hard to find. If you guys look, it's got a very wide end on one side and a narrow side on the other. So it'll work with the fuel lines that come with a lot of the diesel heaters. And I happen to be testing the OutEquip diesel heaters here, and this particular one right here is going to be the split system, and this is a permanent system. It's going to be all integrated into the fuel system. So again, on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, if you have this particular kit here, which comes with everything there, you will go and buy these other two parts, and I'll show you guys where underneath the van you're going to go and connect this. And the rest is going to be pretty much straightforward, as the fuel line is just going to go on the other end of here. And then you're going to go and route everything. It just taps into power. And it comes with everything you need. So air cleaners, mufflers, it's all included. So let me go ahead and jump underneath the van and show you guys where you can get this permanently installed and how to just quickly tap into the fuel. And again, this is from my own experience of working on these Sprinters that are 2019 and newer. So you might have a weird variant, but I think everyone that I've owned had this. Let's go ahead and show you guys that underneath the vehicle. And I think you're gonna like the simplicity of it. So my Sprinter fuel tank is here. Okay, so this is it right here, guys. It'll be just like this. It'll have this cover. You want to make sure that you push this button in, and this will slide off. When you're putting this back, it's not just putting it back and sliding it in place. You got to really push. You'll hear that clip. Okay, so once you remove that cap off your fuel line, the one that's going to go into the tank that I showed you underneath, this will slide right in place. Again, it's a quick connection. It's very easy to work with. Then you're going to take the very open side or wider side, put this over it. We're going to go and put a fuel clamp here. And then the fuel line is going to go and slide right into here. Again, you'll go and put a fuel line. This is how it's going to go. Your Mercedes tank line is going to go in here. And then you're going to run this to the actual diesel heater. And that's going to connect to right here. And make sure you utilize a fuel filter and the fuel pump somewhere along the line. Have it at the right angle. And once you do that, you're going to go and plug the other end of the fuel line right up here using these connectors that they give you. There's a whole bag of them, and the clamps, everything else is included. So I hope that helps you guys out. If there's a question I didn't answer in this, please let me know, and I'll leave you guys the review for the OutEquip diesel heaters. And once I decide which one to put in, you guys will know which might be a good option for you. And thanks again, guys.